Hi, we are at Morjim. This is the suite room option that you have in Morjim. Once you enter the room, you have a beautiful sit out and the amazing view of the Morjim Beach and the sunset. This room is on the second floor with no lift, but if you want to have one of the nice amazing experiences right opposite to the Morjim Beach with the suite room, contact Lav Ahuja. With a beautiful Buddha, the bed and the ocean view. It's really classic experience. You have the balcony throughout the three sides with the amazing view. So for booking this room at Morjim, contact Lav Ahuja 9422421700. Thank you.